Myself BC Pathak, PGT Chemistry, Chiranjeev Bharati School, Asiana, Lucknow. First lesson, some basic concept of chemistry. Topic, empirical and molecular formula. Now, empirical formula. The lowest whole number ratio between elements in a compound, that is called empirical formula. Now molecular formula, the actual formula of a molecular compound, that is fixed ratio between elements in a molecule, that is called molecular formula. For example, glucose, empirical formula CH2O, and molecular formula will be C6H12O6. Now, relationship between molecular formula and empirical formula. Molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula, or N equal to molecular mass upon empirical formula mass. NCERT page 16 question. A compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.2% carbon and 71.65% chlorine. Its molecular mass is 98.96 gram. What are its empirical and molecular formula? First, we have to formulate table like this to find out empirical and molecular formula. Element, percentage, atomic mass, percent upon atomic mass, simplest ratio, whole number ratio. Here, first carbon, 24.2% carbon. 24.2% carbon is given in question. So carbon, percentage of carbon is 24.27%. And then hydrogen is 4.07%. Hydrogen 4.07%. Then chlorine, percentage of chlorine is 71.65%. Already you know that atomic mass of carbon will be 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen will be 1. Atomic mass of Cl will be 35.5. Then you have to divide percent up by atomic mass. So 24.27 divided by 12 for carbon, 4.07 divided by 1 for hydrogen, 71.65 divided by 35.5 for chlorine. For hydrocarbon, 24.27 upon 12 is equal to 2.02. 4.07 divided by 1 equal to 4.07. 71.65 divided by 35.5 will be equal to 2.02. Now we divide lowest number to each. So here lowest number is 2.02. So 2.02 divided by 2.02, 4.07 divided by 2.02, 2.02 divided by 2.02, 2.02 equal to 1. 4.07 divided by 2.02 equal to 2. 2.02 divided by 2.02 equal to 1. So whole number ratio will be same of simplest ratio, that will be 1 to 1. Now empirical formula equal to carbon. Carbon is equal to 1, so C1. Hydrogen equal to 2, so hydrogen will be 2. Chlorine is 1, so Cl1 or CH2Cl. It will be empirical formula. Now we have to find out molecular formula. Molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. N equal to molecular mass upon empirical formula mass. Empirical formula is CH2Cl. So we have to find out empirical formula mass. 12 plus atomic mass of hydrogen 1, so 1 into 2 plus atomic mass of Cl, that will be 35.5 equal to sum total equal to 49.5. It will be empirical formula mass. And molecular mass is given in question, that is 98.96 gram. This is molecular mass. So molecular mass is equal to 98.96 upon empirical formula mass 49.5. That will be equal to 2. So molecular formula equal to 2 into empirical formula. 2 into empirical formula already CH2Cl. So molecular formula will be C2H4Cl2. Molecular formula will be C2H4Cl2. Empirical formula CH2Cl. Molecular formula C2H4Cl2. This is molecular formula, and This is empirical formula. Please like, share and subscribe. Now next question of NCERT exercise, question number 1.8. Determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percentage of iron and oxygen are 69.9 and 30.1 respectively. Given molecular mass of oxide is 159.69 gram per mole. We have to formulate table like this. First element percentage atomic mass, percent upon atomic mass, simplest ratio, whole number ratio. Whole number ratio. Now element iron, symbol of iron Fe, percentage 69.9, atomic mass of iron 56, percent upon atomic mass 69.9 upon 56, that will be equal to 1.24. Now oxygen 30.1, atomic mass of oxygen 16, 30.1 divided by 16 equal to 1.88. Now here we have to divide from least number to other numbers. So here least number is 1.24. So we have to divide 1.88 by 1.24. So 1.24 divided by 1.24, that will be equal to 1. 1.88 divided by 1.24, that will be equal to 1.5. Now we have to convert it into whole number. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Then it will become 3. And it can also multiply by 2. It will become 2. So empirical formula Fe2O3, we have to write like this: iron Fe2, Fe2, oxygen 3, oxygen 3. This is empirical formula. Now empirical formula mass equal to atomic mass of iron Fe 56, here Fe2, so 56 into 2, plus atomic mass of oxygen 16, here 3 O3, so 3 multiply by 16 into 3 into 16, that will be equal to 160. Now we have to find out molecular formula. So molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula equal to molar mass upon empirical formula mass. Molecular mass in question given 159.69. 159.69 approximately, that will be equal to 160 upon empirical formula mass, that will be 160, that will be equal to 1. So molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula, N equal to 1, and empirical formula is this Fe2O3. So molecular formula will be Fe2O3, means empirical formula, molecular formula and empirical formula will be same. Empirical formula and molecular formula will be same because N equal to 1. That's why empirical formula and molecular formula will be same. NCERT exercise question number 1.3, same like this. Please like, share and